If you are holding XRP, something massive is about to take place this week. It's going to blow your mind. So in just a couple of days, the Fed is going to be cutting rates. This is going to impact the crypto market and all markets around the world in a very drastic way. And if you take a look at XRP is squeezing itself into a very tight corner. And after we have been correcting and going down for many, many months, the chance of us breaking out of this resistance, breaking out of this bearish pattern is massive. While the stock market is holding near all-time highs, quantitative tightening has just ended. The Fed is about to cut rates again. The market is setting itself up to make a massive move again, just like we did last year. And if you take a look at XRP here, you can see XRP is squeezing itself into a very, very tight pattern, which whenever XRP gets squeezed into a tight pattern, there's always going to be a massive move. The last time we saw a similar pattern, XRP was around the same price, $2.20, and XRP pumped to new all-time highs, pumping 65% in a very short period of time. I'm thinking XRP is going to be doing something very similar very, very soon. If XRP starts to break and hold above that same exact level that we broke above the last time, which is around $2.20, there is a very, very big chance for a breakout. And when that breakout happens, it's going to push XRP to at least $3 in my opinion. We could potentially see new all-time highs as well. If you take a look at altcoins, you could see all of these recent dumps have been getting eaten up very quickly, and we're starting to form higher lows across the board and higher highs. Bitcoin is also starting to hold up very strong despite a lot of selling pressure and continuing to form higher lows as well. Everything follows Bitcoin, of course, and if Bitcoin can break and hold above this resistance at 94,000, which you can see is a major level, I'm confident that there is going to be a strong explosive move with Bitcoin that could take us to around 108,000 very quickly. If this happens, this will likely push up XRP in a very strong and massive way. On top of it, we are seeing XRP enters a new regulatory area with the historic CFTC regulated US spot listing. So XRP has got its first ever CFTC regulated spot US listing. That is very big. And on top of it, we are starting to see that XRP is making a historic move. We are seeing it's the first spot ETF. We can see XRP has already hit $1 billion in assets under management with these ETFs, and they just came out. These ETFs have come out for XRP. There's $1 billion already invested in these ETFs. This is the first altcoin ETF after Ethereum to hit $1 billion in assets under management. So this goes to show you the demand for XRP in retail and on an institutional level. So right now the market is poised to make a move. We have the Fed meeting coming up in a couple of days, December 10th. There's now an 87% chance that the Fed is going to cut rates by 25 basis points. There's no chance for a 50 basis point cut, just a 25 basis point cut, which is extremely likely. And I would say 90% chance going to happen, probably honestly even higher. This is going to be bullish for the markets. Every time we do cut rates, stocks and cryptos do pump. Make sure you guys are in my private community, which you could try today for free, where we have signals that you could follow and copy all of my exact moves. We have future signals and spot signals. This is going to really to help you to understand when you need to be buying and selling. On top of that, you want to be using my trading. Indicator. This will help you to understand when to sell, when to buy. It will visually help you to see this. This is very important so that you're not stuck holding the bag and you can really trade by making the most out of all the opportunities that the market presents. You guys can try this today for free. If you guys are going to be doing any trading, you're going to want to be trading over on Blofin. This is the best trading platform in the world. You guys can get a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link. But by signing up using my link, you're going to lock in the cheapest fees on the internet when it comes to trading. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.